For any integer k, alpha k is equal to cos of k pi by 7 plus iota sine of k pi by 7. What is the value of then this expression? Polar form of any complex number is r into cos of theta plus iota sine theta. And the Euler form of complex number is r into e power iota theta. Here this cos of theta plus iota sine theta becomes e power iota theta. Now, if the value of r is equal to 1, then z becomes e power iota theta. Using this, alpha k is equal to e to the power iota k pi by 7. From here I can say alpha k plus 1 is equal to e to the power iota k plus 1 into pi by 7. Now taking modulus of alpha k plus 1 minus alpha k, this becomes e to the power iota k plus 1 into pi by 7 minus e to the power iota k pi by 7 modulus. Here e to the power iota k pi by 7 into e to the power iota pi by 7. Splitting this term into these two things, minus e to the power iota k pi by 7. This becomes e to the power iota k pi by 7 into e to the power iota pi by 7 minus 1. Since we know that z1 into z2 whole mod is equal to mod z1 into mod z2. Applying this property here, we get e to the power iota k pi by 7 mod into e to the power iota pi by 7 minus 1 mod. And mod of e to the power iota theta is always equal to 1. So this here becomes 1, and finally this alpha k plus 1 minus alpha k mod is equal to mod of e to the power iota pi by 7 minus 1. Now taking summation on both sides, and k starts from 1 to 12. This summation acts on k. Here it is a constant for that. So ultimately we get this summation here is adding from 1 to 12. That means we are adding 1 12 times. And e to the power iota pi by 7 minus 1 mod acts as constant. And this is equal to 12 into mod of e to the power iota pi by 7 minus 1. This is equation number 1. Alpha 4k minus 1 becomes e to the power iota 4k minus 1 into pi by 7. And similarly alpha 4k minus 2 is equal to e to the power iota 4k minus 2 into pi by 7. Now taking modulus of alpha 4k minus 1 minus of alpha 4k minus 2 is equal to difference of both these numbers and taking their modulus. Now take common, so we get e to the power iota 4k minus 2 into pi by 7 into e to the power iota pi by 7 minus 1. and mod. Since mod of e to the power iota theta is equal to 1 and mod of z1 into z2 is equal to mod z1 into mod z2, applying these properties here, we get mod of e to the power iota 4k minus 2 into pi by 7 mod of e to the power iota pi by 7 minus 1. Now this is equal to 1. So finally we have mod of e to the power iota pi by 7 minus 1. Taking summation both sides, k starts from 1 to 3. Again this summation is acting on k and this becomes a constant for that. So clearly k is adding 3 times and mod of e to the power iota pi by 7 minus 1 remains as it is, which is equal to 3 times mod of e to the power iota pi by 7 minus 1. This is equation number 2. Now dividing equation 1 by 2, we get 12 into mod of e to the power iota pi by 7 minus 1 divided by 3 upon mod of e to the power iota pi by 7 minus 1. Here this modulus and this modulus cancels. So we get only 12 by 3, which ultimately becomes 4.